Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send electronic payments to the IRS for the 2025 tax year. If you're like most people, dealing with taxes can feel overwhelming, but electronic payments make it quicker and easier than ever. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get this done without any hassle. Let's jump right in. First off, why go electronic? It's fast, secure, and helps you avoid late fees. For 2025, the IRS has streamlined their online systems, so let's cover the main methods. The most popular options are IRS Direct Pay and the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, EFTPS. Start by gathering your information. You'll need your social security number, bank account details, and the exact amount you owe. Step 1. Head to the IRS website at www.irs.gov. Look for the Pay section, where you'll find options for electronic payments. If you're using IRS Direct Pay, it's straightforward for individuals. Just click on it, enter your details, and follow the prompts to link your bank account. This method is free and processes payments in real time. For EFTPS, which is great for businesses or multiple payments, you'll need to enroll first. Go to the EFTPS website, create an account, and verify your information. Once enrolled, you can schedule payments ahead of time, which is perfect if you're planning for quarterly taxes. A quick tip: always double-check the payment amount and due dates to avoid penalties. The IRS typically requires payments by April 15th for individuals, but confirm for 2025 specifics. After you submit, you'll get a confirmation number. Save that. Remember, electronic payments reduce paper trails and errors, making tax season less stressful. If you run into issues, the IRS has helpful support lines. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tax tips. See you next time.